Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide, I will help you to understand the reason of pop-ups that are coming from the site Followlink.click. Followlink.click. Certain people may notice these pop-ups to attack their browsers pretty unexpectedly, and these pop-ups, by the way, do not appear in the browser based on the customer's decision. Instead, there can be some adware type application that can be enabled in your computer. So you obviously need to be extremely careful whenever you see these pop-ups in your computer. First of all, carefully research the list of your applications. Check the programs that are suspicious and get rid of those applications that are not familiar to you. At the first glance, it looks like these pop-ups by Followlink.click try to help you protect your PC from viruses and threats. However, this is a deceptive technique because often people may be brought to some other totally different website that would recommend some other totally different software here. And these pop-ups are often misleading. They may display some other pretty scary alerts that try to force people into downloading something. So if you see these alerts, it could be that there is some adware type program enabled in your computer. First, we have tried to uninstall any suspicious programs, but another step is to check the list of your available browser extensions, because it may happen that the unusual browser behavior may be explained by certain third-party browser extensions. So go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Now disable and delete any third-party extensions that you might find here. To make sure that your device is free of any other threats, consider checking it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and we recommend you to get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software and start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix other possible problems with your system. Once you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected, or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threats are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process, because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while. It depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scan, and you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific threat manually, one threat at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threats automatically.